I'm Brandon with Porch Windows Direct. I'm going to talk about some options for replacing screens in your screen porch. Most commonly, the application for putting screens on is stapling a screen onto a 4x4 or 6x6 wood post, and then maybe putting an exterior trim board on there to cover up those staples. That works really well. Unfortunately, when it comes time to replace those screens, that means you have to pry off the trim boards, pluck out a whole bunch of staples, and then repeat that process over again. There are some options of aluminum framed systems where a screen can be splined onto that channel, an aluminum channel that runs around the perimeter. And then if you have a problem where you need to replace a screen, you're unzipping a rubber spline and putting a new screen on there. Most of those systems are available at your local home center or lumberyard. It costs a little bit more up front to do it that way, but you'll appreciate that system when time to replace a screen comes down the road. Another option is to do a 4-track porch window like our Extend 4-track porch windows. They come with 4 panels that have a lightweight vinyl glazing, keeps the area feeling like a screen porch, has the ability to close it up and keep out the wind, rain, dust, and snow, and then the ability to open that up. Collapsing all these panels down exposes 75% open screen, and then that feels like a screen porch on a nice day when you want it. This screen is attached onto the window in our factory, also done with a rubber spline. So if you needed to replace a screen down the line, it's unzipping that rubber spline, roll out a new screen, roll the spline back in, and you're done. So you get the best of both worlds in that scenario. Easy to replace a screen, plus the added benefit of having the weatherization panels where you can open and close that based on the temperature, how much wind, rain, those type of things. So the 4-track porch windows make the screen really easy to replace and the benefit of turning it into more of a 3-season type of porch.